Hey guys, this is Urve and welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't yet watched my previous videos, then go and watch it out right now. Is affiliate marketing profitable in 2021? How much money can I make through affiliate marketing? I am considering to quit my job and becoming an affiliate marketer. Will I make enough money? So many more questions are running in numerous forums and numerous people. They are just thinking to quit their job and becoming an affiliate marketer, but these questions are stopping them from joining affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to clear each and every question and each and every problem which you guys are facing in joining affiliate program or any doubt you have in affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing industry is growing steadily, and as per the reports in India, affiliate marketing industry is going to hit $1 billion industry in 2022, and they have also expected that affiliate marketing will hit $5 billion up till 2025. So there is definitely a space to earn as well as grow in affiliate marketing. Recently, STM also conducted a poll where they asked affiliates about their annual income. You can also see the results in the chart. And broadly speaking, this chart must give you a vision that incomes in affiliate marketing can vary a lot. You can see there are plenty of bloggers and affiliate marketers out there who earn less than $20,000 per year. But then there are also those who make tons of money. According to their monthly income, we can divide these affiliates into low-level affiliates who earn $300 per day, then intermediate affiliates who earn $300 to $3,000 per day, high-level affiliates who earn above $3,000 per day, and super affiliates, or you can also call them gurus of affiliate marketing, who make more than $10,000 per day. Talking about the success in affiliate marketing. Success in affiliate marketing depends on persistence and your continuing nature. You can't assume that once when you earn $300 per day, you will earn the same income every day. It all depends on your hard work. So there are some cases when people who earn very modest income skyrocketed overnight. It is all about choosing the right niche, the right platform, and the right strategy. And there are plenty cases where affiliate marketers who used to earn very high income went directly down to low income. So not only the affiliate condition varies in every niche, but also the affiliate commission varies in every niche. So affiliate commissions in different niche, just to name a few, I will tell you the examples of niches and also the examples of the company. Number one is software affiliate program. Software affiliate programs mainly focuses on softwares and web hosting providers. Here the affiliate commission varies from 50% to 80% per sale, or you must say per referral. Software programs are one of the most highest paid affiliate programs in the whole world. So here are few examples of some companies who run software affiliate marketing programs. Number one, Adobe. 2, Microsoft Affiliates. 3, Google Workspace. 4, NordVPN. 5th, Hostwins. So these are some of the software affiliate programs. Number 2, educational affiliate programs. Educational affiliate programs mainly deals with courses and books. Here they provide certificates for learning each course or reading each book. Here the commission varies from 30% to 70%. Here are some examples of educational affiliate programs. Number 1, BizGurukul. Number 2, Treehouse. Number 3, Coursera. Number 4, Udemy. And number 5, Quickstart. Number 3, e-commerce affiliate programs. E-commerce affiliate programs need a very high amount of network. If you have a decent and high amount of network, then only you should start an e-commerce affiliate program, because here the commission varies from 5% to 10%. Here you can only do B2C sales, that is business to customer sales. You cannot do sales from business to business. So here are some examples of e-commerce affiliate programs. Number 1, Amazon affiliate program. Number 2, Shopify. Number 3, eBay Partner Network. Number 4, Apple affiliate program. And number 5, Walmart affiliate program. Number 4 is travel affiliate program. Here the commission varies from 1% to 15%. If you sell a flight ticket, you might get 1 to 3% commission. If you go for accommodation, you can get 3% to 12% commission. If you go for car rentals, you may get commission from 4% to 11%. And if you go for tour activities, you can get from 7% to 15%. So here in this niche, there is a lot of variance of commission. So you can choose your favorite company and start affiliate program. Here are some examples of some companies. Number 1, Jet Radar. Number 2, Booking.com. Number 3, Get Your Guide. Number 4, Discover Cars. And number 5, Agoda. Fifth one and the last one is Fitness and Nutra Affiliates program. Here it is all on health and fitness centers. Here the commission will vary from 15% to 40%. Here are some examples of fitness affiliate programs. Number 1, Croc Mint. Number 2, Nutra Organics. Number 3, NHC. Number 4, India Herbs. And number 5, OptiNutra. So this was all about the niches and their different commission. Now getting on to the point, how long does it take to make a steady income in affiliate marketing? So getting to the point, it may take a while for you to make a steady income in affiliate marketing. In common, it takes minimum 5 to 6 months to make a steady income, but coming to the point, it is all depending on your hard work, your consistency, and the way you drive your traffic to your site or whatever onto your profile or anywhere. You will not skyrocket overnight, but by being consistent, by promoting your affiliate products and with the right strategy, you will meet your desired income very soon. I hope this video was very helpful and it covered all your doubts and all the questions. So if you like the video, then share it with your friends. And if you want to join my affiliate program, my Insta link is in the description below and my number is also in the description below. You can WhatsApp me or you can DM me on Instagram to start affiliate marketing with me, and let me know in the comments below which niche would you prefer to start your affiliate journey.
And I need all of you
bye-bye.
to stop what you're doing and listen.